Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a music bot to your Discord channel. So let's get started. So what you want to do is you want to find a music bot that you want to add. For me it's this one, Jockey Music. Now you can choose your own, but in my opinion this is the best one because it can play Spotify, it can play SoundCloud, any of that really, any link that you send him he will probably play it, or he can even just find music by you typing the name of the song. But if it does not, then you just send the link from Spotify or SoundCloud. Now, after you have chosen your bot that you want to add, you go right here on invite, and then it will probably ask you to log in, or if you're already logged in, it will just show you this page, just like it does for me. So what you want to do is you want to add a server. So it pretty much just says what server you want this bot to go to. I'll select the server, go to continue. Now my bot works without this, without administrator, but if he does not work for you without this, then just kick him out of your server and, well, invite him again, but this time with administrator. Now I will add him without administrator, so you press on authorize. Then I am human, you need to, well, do this. Floppy disks, let me quickly do this. And after you have done that, your bot has successfully been added to your server. So let's quickly see. Go to your Discord. Alright, as you can see, he's right here. He will even tell you that he's joined in your main chat. Anyways, this is what he tells you. He even tells you the commands. As you can see, you have M play, and that pretty much plays a song. M skim skips one. M leave leaves the channel. And there are plenty more. There is M pause and everything. So let me quickly show you some of them. Join a voice channel, and then let's say, oh, I will just deafen myself so we don't hear him. Let's say play, for example, Pitbull or something. Alright, as you can see, let me just unmute him. Let me unfan. He is playing right now. Let me mute him back up. You can also tell him to just pause. He will pause, and then unpause. You can also just tell him to, well, skip a song. You can tell him to leave, and he leaves. He pretty much tells you everything in chat what he does. Now you can also send him a link. He maybe will, if he can't find a song or he's not sure what song you're searching for, he will ask you if you want him to search on Spotify, SoundCloud, or whatever else he can search on. But that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like. If you have any questions, ask down below in the comment section. And if you want more videos just like this, well, subscribe. Anyhow, guys, have a nice day.